How to use Google AI Studio for voice generation tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really cool, how to use Google AI Studio for voice generation. Whether you want to create voiceovers for your videos, generate realistic speech from text, or just explore what Google's AI can do with audio, this tutorial is going to walk you through the whole thing step by step. Let's get started. What is Google AI Studio? First, a quick intro for those who are new to this. Google AI Studio is Google's free web-based platform that gives you direct access to their most powerful AI models, including Gemini. It's designed for developers and creators who want to experiment with AI capabilities without needing to set up complicated code environments. And one of its most impressive features right now is its ability to generate natural-sounding voice audio from text using Gemini's built-in voice capabilities. Getting started. To get started, open your browser and go to eStudio, Google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, the same Gmail you use for everything else. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. It's a pretty clean interface with different options for creating prompts and testing AI features. Don't let it overwhelm you. We're going to focus specifically on the voice generation side of things. Creating a new prompt. On the left side of the screen, you'll see options to start different types of sessions. Click on Create New Prompt or Stream Real-Time depending on what version of the interface you're on. For voice generation, you want to look for the option that uses the Gemini model with audio output capabilities. Google has been rolling out voice features progressively, so depending on when you're watching this, the exact button label might vary slightly, but look for anything related to audio, speech, or voice output. Selecting the right model. Once you're in your prompt session, look for the model selector at the top or on the right panel. Click on it and choose a Gemini model that supports audio output. At the time of this video, that includes models like Gemini 2 Flash with the voice or audio feature enabled. Selecting the right model here is important because not every model in AI Studio supports voice generation, so make sure you pick one that explicitly mentions audio or speech output. Enabling voice output. After selecting your model, look in the Settings or Configuration panel on the right side of the screen. You'll find an option for output or response modality. Click on that and switch it from text to audio or speech. This tells the model that instead of giving you a written response, you want it to speak the output. Once that's toggled on, you're ready to generate your first voice. Choosing your voice. Here's one of the coolest parts. Google AI Studio gives you multiple voice options to choose from. In the Settings panel, look for a voice option or a drop-down that lets you select different speaker styles. Google has a range of voices with different tones, accents, and personalities. Browse through the options, pick one that fits your project, and you're good to go. You can always come back and swap it out later if you want to try a different sound. Typing your text and generating voice. Now comes the fun part. Click into the prompt input box and type the text you want to be converted into speech. This could be a script, a product description, a voiceover for a video, anything you want. Once you've typed it in, hit the Run button or press Enter to generate. Within a few seconds, Google AI Studio will process your text and play back the audio directly in your browser. You'll see a small audio player appear where you can listen to the generated voice. Downloading your audio. If you're happy with how the voice sounds and you want to use it in a project, look for a download icon or a save option next to the audio player. Click that to download the audio file to your device. Depending on the platform update at the time you're watching this, the file will typically download as a WAV or MP3 format, which you can then drop straight into any video editor, podcast software, or content creation tool you use. Tips for better results. Before I wrap up, let me give you a few quick tips to get the best quality voice output. First, use clear and well-punctuated text. Proper punctuation helps the AI know where to pause and breathe naturally, which makes the voice sound much more human. Second, keep your sentences at a natural length, not too long and not too short. Third, if a word isn't being pronounced correctly, try spelling it out phonetically in your prompt and see if that improves the result. And finally, experiment with different voices, because some voices handle certain content styles better than others. Outro, and that's everything you need to know to start using Google AI Studio for voice generation. It's a powerful free tool, and once you get the hang of it, you can create professional quality voiceovers in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more AI tool guides like this one. Let me know in the comments what you're planning to use voice generation for. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next one.